Having a website, guys, is old news. If you want to monetize your following, create a solid marketing funnel, start making money online, sell your services or products. Whether you are a creator, a business owner, a coach, an influencer, you name it, you can launch a knowledge business within minutes without having to know any coding, build any website, or spend any money. So if you're ready, this video is for you. So you started exploring this beautiful journey on the online world. You start creating content, you see some growth, and you want to see what is the next step. Launching some digital products or services, maybe a course, starting your coaching business, sharing your knowledge and make money out of it. But you're really overwhelmed by this insane environment of different tools, especially now within this AI era. I know, I get it. I get overwhelmed too. And that's why today we're gonna review this brand new website, which is called Pensight. And it's really something that is totally different from any link in bio service that you have seen before. So normally a link in bio service, like Linktree for example, is something that gives you the opportunity to have different links in one page, and that's it. Now, on this website, however, you can have one-on-one sessions without having to go to Zoom, for example, or Google Meet. You can have your coaching bundles offering different digital products or courses, having live Q&As, a video Q&A with your audience, launching your digital products, having group sessions with different people, and of course having your videos, collecting emails, and getting rich data so you can have an understanding of how your business performs. You can see different examples of different coaches using that already. I created also a test page myself so I can show it to you. So here's, for example, my latest video on YouTube. I have a mentoring session where somebody can go and book a session with me. The Ask Me Anything feature, so upload a video with a question, I can go back and answer to them with a video as well. My different affiliate links, my courses of course, my newsletter, and some useful links for my social media, my email, and my website. So let's register to see how you can create your own page within minutes for free. So as you see, there is a free plan where you have all those options except obviously some features that are left out for the premium plans, and Pensight charges 3% of the total transactions for the features that offers you for free. So let's review it together. I will log in, I already have an account, I will click here, get my own page. You can select the URL, so let's say that this is the SimplyHustlers page, continue. You can upload a picture right here, this one, yes, that's fine, Simply Hustle. If you have a Linktree profile, you can import it here and everything will be transformed immediately into a Pensight format. I will skip this step and now I can start building my own page the way that I prefer. So I can edit my details right here, add social media profiles of course, so my profile, link. You have the option to put as many of these as you want, like your blog or your TikTok page or your YouTube. I will add my TikTok. Now, if you want to add a link, you need to click here. So this is additional to the previous one, and so on and so forth, right? And now you can start adding a course, a digital product, video Q&A, group session, coaching bundle, like selling a package of one-on-one sessions instead of just one of them. Collect emails, for sure we're gonna use this one. The tribe of hustlers, right? Add an email form. So here it is, ready. I would definitely add this one. Ask me anything related to online income, for example. You can use that for free or you can add a single payment. So somebody can really pay you in order to ask a video question. So you can do this, set a price like 40 euros or dollars, add a cover image if you want. For example, this one. Save it and keep building. My paid video Q&A option is right here waiting for people to ask whatever they want. So it's like a mini coaching session, not as expensive as the one-on-one session, but still, in order for you to spend some time to review a video and come back with an answer, this time needs to get paid, right? Same goes with your one-on-one sessions. If you're starting right now, you can have a quick discovery call, for example, like this one, a 15-minute call. Can be offered for free, so you can really jump on a call with someone and try to persuade them to sell your products. I'll save this. You can add testimonials. We will continue now adding some products, right? Let's go with a course. You can name the course whatever you want, like Make Money Online Simply. I'll definitely add some payment. it will be $99, for example. You can have a cover image if you have something already. Let's say that this is the image. And now you can upload a file. So if you have created a PDF, for example, that you want to start selling as a course, you can upload it right here, or you can embed a video course. So upload the actual video or link it to an existing video, an unlisted video, for example, on YouTube. So let's say that this is my video, for example. I will take the link and add it, continue, and the course is being created. And this can be just a chapter. You can add chapters, or you can have just one video that is a full-time, 1 hour, 2 hours of whatever you want to teach, or add different chapters like I have in my own course. So this is, for example, my video course that I offer through Teachable. So I use another provider in order to sell my course. And this is the chapters that I'm telling you that I have created. By the way, you will find the link in the bio in case you want to check my video course and how I hit 2.7 million followers within a year by just using short video. But you don't need Teachable. You can create the chapters and link them to the individual videos within Pensight. This is insane. So this, for example, can be, this is the intro chapter, add the lesson, finding your identity. This can be a file. So you can have an intro that is a video, and then the next chapter can be a PDF. So anything you want can be created within the platform. So just save the PDF here, save lesson, and like that you can start building whatever you want. You can even create coupons for people, so you can offer discounts, special offers in Black Friday or whatever. And now, instead of having a Calendly link or a Tidy Call or whatever, which is an extra service you need to pay for, you can use this, define your availability. Let's say that, for example, I want to be available Monday to Friday from 9 to 5, right? This is the link of my calendar. You can edit the availability, of course. Finish editing. Now this availability shows whenever somebody wants to book a session with you. So now if I add another one-on-one session right here, which can be 1 hour, for example, again, the price can be $200. This syncs with your calendar so that people can see whenever you're free or not. And here the session I created. View my profile, and I see that I have my paid one-on-one session, I have my discovery call, I have my video Q&A, and we will keep building. On your dashboard, you can see everything you have, right? The profile views, the revenue you have collected, your orders, and you can set up also payments by including your Stripe account so that Pensight can pay you back. Let's try to add something new, a group session. So let's say that I want to create a class of 30 people that I can coach at the same time in 45-minute sessions, right? SimplyHustlers vibe session. I will put 30 tickets available. Let's say that it's $25 each, right? And I will continue. So I will book one today, another one in a week from now, right? Here you are, continue, publish, and that's it. And here it is. I have my Simply Hustlers Tribe session where people can register for my weekly calls, my course, my one-on-one calls, my newsletter, my video Q&A, and my free discovery call. So in less than 10 minutes, guys, I have a knowledge-based website without having a website, a marketing funnel without having to do anything else or pay any other service. And all I gotta do is take this link and share it on my social media. Absolutely love it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like and subscribe button. Check this video if you want to start learning more ways to make money online. And until next time, simply hustle.